What's going on, guys? It's Sammy here, and today I'm going to show you how to tie the double uni knot. For beginners, this is a perfect knot to be joining two lines together or joining your braid to your leader. It's quick, it's strong, and it's very easy to tie, so let's get into it. To start the knot, pinch the two pieces of line you'd like to join together facing in opposite directions between two fingers. Using the tag end of one side of the line, loop back on itself, then wrap the tag end over both strands of line and back through the loop 6 to 8 times. Lubricate and pull semi-tight. Do the exact same with the other tag end, but in reverse. Create a loop and then wrap both strands of lines through the loop 6 to 8 times. Lubricate and semi-tighten. Now at this stage your knot is almost done. To check you're on the right track, make sure your tag ends are both facing away from each other. Now you're ready to tighten up. Lubricate the whole knot and using the non-tag ends, pull the knots together. Now using your hands, keep tension on both strands of line and use your teeth to pull the tag ends. One final pull on the main lines, then use a pair of pliers to trim your tags. Give it a few practice runs at home and you'll have it down pat in no time. Happy fishing, guys. Catch you next time.